Oh, okay. Welcome back. And today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Flappy Bird game. And finally, this is part 2. Okay. Yes. So let's begin. So the first thing what you have to do is go to my stuff, which is really simple. Just click this. We'll go to our Flappy Bird game. If you haven't checked the Dash game tutorial, do check it. So let's go. This is the so what I did till now in the Flappy Bird game. I didn't make much big tactical stuff. I just didn't do more coding because drawing would take me more time. So what I did is I made two poles up and down. If you want to find the assets for the exact size pole so that you can copy the exact code of mine, links in the description box below of my Scratch project if I can complete it. Yeah, you can get the bird, everything. So yeah, so now I just made two poles up and down. I can either do it more complicated way, but I prefer you guys like the other one is way more complicated which I made, but it's kind of laggy the same way. So I tried making this unlaggy. As you remember, we did this. We made the Flappy Bird fly. It was pretty good. But we even want to add sound effects, which I'll add later. So let's just make the pipe spawning. I'm gonna use clones. Remember that there's something called create clone. I will explain later. So when flag clicked, no, is there any return? No. Yeah. So when flag clicked hide, I kind of forgot most of the stuff because I didn't do Scratch for a long time. I know I uploaded videos, but that was long before. Alright. This is then after that we should hide the main sprite because the clones will take place. Forever loop. We should wait for about how much seconds? I'll say 3 seconds. Oh, not 33. Okay, 3 seconds. Then it's supposed to like uh create clone of itself. So in the controls, you will find something called create clone of myself. You have to take that up. Just put that in there, and part of this is over. Now this is a when flag click for a clone, like when flag clicked, but this instead commands the clones what to do. It is supposed to go to the very edge, which is x 256. It should not show yet. Remember that it should not show. So to be extra sure, we can hide this. Then afterwards, we're gonna show it. It's gonna take place in 256, and y we're gonna pick random y. So to do that, now what we have to do is take this pick random from the operators. You should be very familiar. So otherwise I'm putting my videos from basic to a little advanced. Yeah, so my clicker game, which was the most basic video and short 3-part video. Then comes the Dash game. I kind of put it late, so because I didn't have that in my mind. Then I made the Dino T-Rex, and then this is our next one. Yeah. So its Y is gonna depend upon how high can this down pole go. Like if it crosses over here, it'll look really bad. So I'll say its maximum number of Y is 57. So 57, and then the maximum number of the negative is negative 57. Alright, negative 55. I'll do that. So we got our program. Then what we want to do is show. So as you can see, okay, alright, it's like changing its Y depending upon where. 3 seconds might be too fast. Let's put it about 5 seconds. Yeah. So now what we have to do is we have to like make it go back. Let's take a repeat until loop, because we even want to delete the clone as it reaches the corner. Repeat until the Flappy Bird uh, uh, so it's gonna change its X position by, change X by, you can use a variable that slowly it will go faster and it will be hard for the person to go, but I won't be doing that. Okay, let's see how fast is X by 10. I'll say 5 for now. We can increase that later. Repeat until um this thing reaches the very most edge. Oh, and that is negative 53. So do not copy mine. Check by yourself. Use your mouse or your whatever you have. Make it go. So don't copy mine because it depends upon your screen size and everything else. Yeah. So we can go to this X position equals is X position is greater than, we have to minus 1 there. That means add 1 to this because it's in negative, so minusing in negative means adding. So 2, oh, what happened? 54. So yes. Oh no, negative, sorry. Don't forget, and do not forget to add negative. So let's see then. Alright. 4, 5. Oh, why isn't it coming? Negative. Oh, why is it? Oh, alright. It should just change X by. Let's see, does that work? Forever loop. It's cloned, so like the X position for the original sprite will not be that. Why isn't it changing X by 5? That's my question. I have a lot of problem with cloning. X by 5 forever type. Yeah, it should work. Let's bring that here. Well, let's see. It should clone. It should move. And that's my question. Oh, we don't need to add a forever in a clone. Okay, alright. I kind of no need of that. Let's just see if we can try this. Still didn't work. Yes, it kind of worked. Its X position changed by 5, but oh, I get it. It is in the positive side, so it should be negative 5. That was what my mistake was. That was my mistake. Okay, I didn't get it. So yeah, now it should work. Yeah, it works. Perfect. Alright. So repeat until. We need to add the repeat until. I didn't, but we have to make it into negative 5. Add this inside. Add this inside. And let's see, does it work? I hope it works. Please work. Please work. Oh, right. It doesn't work. Nothing. Repeat until nothing. Let's see. I'm having a doubt. Okay. So, this is perfect. In how many seconds does this glide? And then it should delete the clone. So delete this clone. So let's try that. It should move negative 5. Then it should directly delete the clone. Oh, didn't? How many 5 steps does it have to take to go to the very end? So I can see, analyze it. 253. Yep, that's it. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Ah, this is tiring. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 68, 67, 68, 69, 70. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84 times. 84. Repeat 84 times. Okay, repeat 84 times. It should repeat that and then delete the clone. Alright, let's try. Whew, this is gonna be tiring. It's like a scrolling background, if I will say. Oh, right, perfect. But I think that the delete is happening pretty early. So let's say 100 times. So yeah. Oh, this is kind of complicated. Oh wow, that's perfect. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. So that was my 11-minute video. I know it was kind of short, but yeah, that worked. Alright. Alright, I'm having some problems with this. I don't like space. I like mouse down. So let's add in the operator. Some people like space. I like mouse down mostly. So let's just add mouse down. In the sensing, there's an option called mouse down, means when you click. Alright, and we even have to add in mouse down again. So just take the and done. Simple. Now, oh, what happened? Why didn't it fly? Mouse down. It is supposed to fly. I'm clicking my mouse so hard. Did I miss out something? 1 minute. Let me see. Well, change set yvel to 5. Change yvel y by yvel. Yeah. Then it should. Okay, this is not what we have to focus. Over here, there's a problem. Mouse down and yvel. It should work. This is not fair. The mouse down thingy doesn't work. This mouse down thingy doesn't work, so I'll throw that out. It really doesn't work. I don't know why, but mouse down really doesn't work. According to my thinking, it should work, and bye-bye mouse down. I'm tired. So now, as you can remember, we made the Flappy Bird and the pole, and today we made the pole. Throw that out. Yeah, so this was our programming for 13 minutes. I know it's kind of short for a long time. So yeah, I'll end the part 2 and see you in part 3. Bye bye.